Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Aesthetic Tales. Ingredients: salt as per taste, black pepper as per taste, a egg to bind the batter, vinegar, dark soy sauce, red chili sauce, green chilies finely chopped, water, refined oil, chopped garlic and ginger, a cubed capsicum, a cubed onion, 15 to 20 prawns, cornflour. Let's get started. Method: in a large bowl of deveined prawns, we will break an egg to make a batter. Now I'll add black pepper according to my taste. I'll add salt according to my taste. You can increase and decrease according to your wish. Now I will add cornflour to it. If you're not having cornflour, then you can use maida to it. I'll whisk all the ingredients together to make a thick batter. Adding water is not required as prawns are already watery, so you may skip adding water. It may become too runny. I have added red chili powder to it. This is optional. You can totally skip it. I'll again stir this. Make sure all the prawns are equally coated. Now I will heat a wok with refined oil to shallow fry these prawns. I will shallow fry all the prawns, but make sure all the prawns are well coated again. I have lightly fried these prawns and taken out in a bowl. Now in that oil I'll add all the vegetables. Reusing that oil is important to retain that flavor. I'll add chopped ginger and garlic to it. Now I'll add the onion to it and lightly saute it until it becomes pink or whitish pink. Now here I'm going to add the capsicum and gently give a stir to it. I'll add chopped green chilies. I'll add a pinch of salt and then I'll add pepper to it. I'll add a little bit of sugar to give a nice color to it. I'll cover it with a lid so that these veggies become a little bit cooked. Now here I'm going to add those chili vinegar. It will add a nice flavor to it. I'm going to add the dark soy sauce now. It will give color to it. After stirring a little bit, I'll again cover it for a minute so that it may have the flavor in it. I'll add the red chili sauce now. Again I'll stir, and now I'm going to add those prawns which I have already fried. I'll add tomato ketchup so that it give a nice tangy flavor to it. I'll cook the whole process in a low to medium heat. I have added water so that all the crunchy vegetables and prawns can mingle up with themselves and give a nice flavor. And after doing all this, I'm going to add red chili sauce again. I will add water and cornflour together so that it can give a thick gravy to it. At this stage, the whole thing may look a little bit shabby, but don't worry, it will become fine when the gravy will become a little more thick. Just look at this, the color is so perfect, isn't it? I'll simmer it for again 5 minutes. The flavor, the color is so perfect. You should try and please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.